Welcome everyone, and once again we are here in the farm. Today we are marking the signs where the chicken coop will be built. After a very long time, of course, I've not been recording, but today I'm back, and there is a lot of good news coming in. And so we agreed to make it 12 meters by 24. This will give us enough space for more than 1,500 chickens if we calculate 6 chickens by square meter. But the total capacity will definitely depend on the space. After we remove a portion, we will leave for the workers here who will be sleeping here, so they need some space, and not only a space to sleep, but they also need a space to cook their meals, and the security as well. And we also need to reserve a place where eggs will be stored, so a storage. And so after removing that space, then we will recalculate the remaining space for the capacity of our chicken farm. Yeah, here the work continues as well. They are trying to finish the third wall, and after this they are going to start the front wall where the gate is going to be. And so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you when we start to build the chicken coop.